How to show or hide notifications on standby display on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and tap on Standby. Next, we go down and tap on Show Notifications. Tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. Once you turn it on, an additional settings will appear. Here is a Show Preview on Tap Only. So Standby can hide the preview of a notification until you tap on it. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the back key to go back to your settings, or swipe up to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.